Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni. Today, I reveal a wealth framework never taught anywhere, the financial transformation grid. This is your map, your structure, your elevation system. We are not guessing about money anymore, we are engineering it. Section 1. Why people stay stuck financially, not because they lack money, but because they lack alignment. Money grows in dimensions: mindset, income, assets, and power. And it accelerates through channels: identity, skills, systems, and visibility. When these don't align, effort becomes struggle. The grid fixes that forever. Section 2. Breakdown of the 4 dimensions: mindset, foundation, income, structure, asset formation, power, expansion. Section 3. Breakdown of the 4 acceleration channels: identity, upgrade, skill, leverage, systemization, visibility, power. Section 4. How to use the grid to transform your financial life: diagnose your current level, identify your missing channel, rebuild your income structure, create an asset formation strategy, activate power expansion. This grid turns confusion into clarity and clarity into power. Section 5. The wealth confirmation signs: you think differently, you earn differently, you own assets, you have freedom, you attract opportunities, you control your financial narrative.